everyone, welcome to the final module of Intensive Social Media Management, which is Module 6. For today, it's all about analyzing insights and analytics and creating a social media report. And it's very important that you monitor weekly and monthly your analytics if you're reaching your goals. Because every month, you align with your client and he will give you goals and you'll verify if it's realistic, and then you're gonna make action plans. So ilalatag mo yan, no? Gagawa ka ng plano, social media strategies para ma-reach ang goal mo. At the end of the month, then you will assess kung nag-work ba yung goal or hindi through a report. So in this in this module, I'm gonna teach you how to create a report. Okay, how to create a social media report, no? And that is the reason why dapat business accounts at dapat check mo yung insights regularly. Makita mo kasi doon what worked, what didn't work. So let me show you my report, guys. This is a sample report of what? Buhay Virtual Assistant from June 1 to June 30. Okay, June 2022 social media report. For example, ang inyong goal ay ang mga sumusunod. Goals: Barangay VA at 10K members, email list at 2.5K subscribers, Instagram at 1.5K followers, Facebook page at 5K likes, Spotify at 350 followers, TikTok at 175K followers, YouTube at 2K subscribers. For example, ang client mo ay gusto palang mag-grow ng followers. Wala pang conversions kasi gusto niyang gusto niyang maging active sa lahat and very maingay sa lahat at mag-grow sa lahat ng mga platforms para ma-establish yung name niya. For example, ganun siya. Kaya ganito yung objectives niya. Now, what you'll do is himayin mo. Gagawa ka ng slide, okay, per objective. So, and then ipapakita mo ano yung attain mo versus yung target and why. Ganun siya. For example, ito. Barangay VA, which is the community group, dinigay ko yung screenshot ng ating followers graph. Nakita nyo, grabe yung tinaas niya. Pack from 10.7 members versus 10K target, which is 107% attainment, which is good, 7% above the target. Diba? What worked? Bakit kaya? Ba't kaya siya nag-work? Ano mga ginawa mo para mag-reach yon? So, sabi natin dito, consistent postings on TikTok, free training program lead magnet, and free weekly events. Kasi ang ginawa ko dito, bawat TikTok, kasi nga si TikTok nga ang laging nasa top of my funnel, no, yung awareness part. So, dahil madami yung reach na kuha ko doon, ang caption ko lagi doon is, if you want, yung lead magnet, if you want a free training program for SMM and VA, then you have to click the link in my profile to join Barangay VA and enjoy that, that program. So, dahil mas marami ako nagawang videos, mas marami ako na-lead doon. And because of that, pagdating ko doon, hindi sila deads kasi meron akong free weekly events na nurture ko sila. Kaya nagsistay na sila, yung mga na-enjoy kung ano nakukuha niya sa group, niyayaya nila yung mga friends and family nila mag-join sa ating group. Kaya siya tumaas ng ganyan. So, yun ang aking interpretation. Next, MailChimp, which is my email marketing. Sabi dyan, 3162 subscribers versus 2.5K target, which is 126% above. So, 26% above the target. So, wow, that's also high. So, what worked? Again, as you all know, di ba, I demonstrated sa previous module na every time they join, they click the link sa Barangay VA from the TikTok profile, no? They have to sign up first and then they'll get the link for my what? For my FB group. Kaya siya tumaas ng ganyan. Every time may nag-join, tumataas din yung subscribers ko. Ganun ang nangyari. So, yun ang nilagay ko dito. Next, may kita mo dito Instagram naman. Ito, pula. Sabi ito, 1,480 followers versus 1.5K target, which is just 98% attainment. Kulang ng 2%. Bakit? What didn't work? Kasi that month, inconsistent ang postings ko for 2 weeks. 2 weeks akong walang posting sa Instagram. Tapos, I focus on carousels lang previously versus Reels. Eh, yung Reels yung nagbibigay ng very good reach compared to all. And then, not much activities application. So, hindi ako masyado nag-effort mag-drive ng people to my Instagram. So, definitely what I'll start doing now is number one, start doing daily reels once a day at least. So, magkaroon ako ng bagong, what? Makapagkaroon ako ng bagong mga audience, makita nila yung profile ko, makita nila yung content ko, and potential followers yon. Weekly live sessions, which is yung speed coaching na ginagawa ko every Tuesdays, 7 p.m. So that's what I have been doing. I have been doing. Ayan. That I will start doing pala, that I've been doing this July, kaya siya tumataas now. Next, this is Facebook. So sabi dito, 5.6 likes versus 5K target, which is 112% attainment, which is 12% above or more than the target. What worked? Again, same. Consistent posting, training program lead magnet, free weekly live events. And because of that, every time nag-grow kasi yung ano ko, yung FB group ko, pag pumapasok sila doon, may mga questions siya, di ba? Membership questions. Part of that is for them to like the FB page. So, dahil a lot of them like the FB page, na-reach ko yung target ko. But this time, para mas dumami yung reach ko, no, I'll do daily reels, which is once a day. And I'll remind the group members to follow the page for another lead magnet. So siguro, gagawa ko ng giveaway or something sa FB page and ipopromote ko sa FB group para puntahan nila, i-follow nila ako. Yun ang gagawin ko. No? Kasi 13K na ang current kong FB group. Pero 7K pa lang ngayon, magsi 7K pa lang ngayon yung aking FB page. So it doesn't make any sense. Okay, next is Spotify. Sabi dyan, 339 followers versus 350 na target. No? Target dapat yan, which is just 96%, which is 4% below the target. What didn't work? Hindi ko siya pinomote sa TikTok, hindi ko siya pinomote sa IG Stories, hindi ko siya pinomote sa FB. Okay, what I'll start doing now is to change my TikTok name to Buhay Virtual Assistant Podcast, which is what I did this July. Create TikTok promotional videos. So, gagawa ka ng 30-second short video and gagawin ko siyang bitin and I will lead them to the latest podcast. Ganon. And then, share on my IG stories. Yung parang glimpse of it. Then, may sticker link to my podcast episode and create podcast events on Discord. Mga podcast learning sessions weekly sa Discord. Yun ang gagawin natin. Para dumami ang aking views and followers. I mean, listeners and followers. Now, let's talk about TikTok. Second to the last one, 82K followers versus 175K target, which is 104%, which is 4% above the target. What were consistent postings on TikTok kasi the more I post, the more it gets viral since nag-initiate kasi ako ng Pulse FB group kung ano yung mga pain points or struggles ng ating mga audience. Kaya yun ang pinagugutan ko ng content. It resonated sa kanila. Kaya mas madami yung reach ko, mas dumami yung followers ko. Ayan, so 104% attainment. And I will continue to do the same thing next month. And lastly, YouTube, 2.1K subs versus 2K target, which is 105K, 105% attainment, which is 5% above the target. What worked? Of course, yung 20-step challenge kasi yung mga modules doon, nilagay ko doon yung YouTube links ko dahil in-upload ko nga yung modules ko sa YouTube. Second is promoting and premiering tutorial videos. So this time, nagtatanong ako sa FB group at sa page ko ano yung mga kailangan nilang mga tutorial videos. Yun ang ginagawa ko, tapos yun ang pinopromote ko days before. So inaabangan nila yon. Tapos madaming nakakakita. Kaya siya dumadami yung viewers, watch time, and subscribers. So that's it. That's how I do my report. very important that you guys watch your numbers per platform based on your objectives para halfway kung hindi pa na-achieve, do another siguro another event or another initiative para ma-boost siya. Ganon. Para magawin mong paraan para ma-reach mo yung numbers mo. Ganon siya. Very important that you learn how to study. Actually, itong ginawa ko to, very basic pa lang to eh. Meron pa akong ginagawang mga thorough studies, which is something that you can do in the future. Maybe we can talk about that. Gawa tayo ng webinar about that. Okay? So that's it for me for today. Congratulations for actually finishing all the modules of SMM intensive training program. I hope you guys learn a lot. I hope na-apply nyo lahat ng ito sa sarili nyo at sa clients nyo. And madami pang challenges, madami pang mga webinars na parating. Maraming salamat. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys on the next webinars. Bye! Congratulations!